Okay guys, so 17, what we have is two different denominators. So what we write is 5 into 2x plus 1 plus 4 into 2x minus 1. What I tend to do is I tend to highlight one of them, yellow denominator, green denominator. The yellow denominator looks at the green denominator and goes, you know what, I want that on the top and bottom. So we put it on the top and bottom. The green denominator looks at the yellow denominator and goes, I want the yellow denominator, top and bottom. And now all of a sudden, we have the same denominator, which is awesome. Right, next thing. Multiply this out, and we get 10x take away 5. Multiply this out, we get 8x plus 4. The denominator can be written in two ways. It can be either written as option 1, or it can be written as option 2. Doesn't matter which one you choose, they're both correct. Okay, so I'll just go with option 1. Okay, and there's no need to multiply it out. Now guys, what we have next is 10x plus 8x, which is 18x minus 5 plus 4, all over 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Did everybody get that? Sorry, hands up if you got it, more so. Brilliant. Anybody have any questions about it? You can ask. Next one. It's a triple. So it means that there's 3 denominators. Okay, so once again, I'm just going to color code them for myself. We have a yellow, we have a green, and we have a blue. Now, the yellow one looks at the green and the blue, and it wants it top and bottom. So it's going to be 3 times 2 times 2x minus 1. And then it's going to be times 2 times 2x minus 1. Thomas, you have a question? Okay, next thing, the green one. What does the green one look at, lads? What does it see? What does the green one want? This is the green one. It wants the 2 and the 3, doesn't it? So let's give it the 2 and the 3, top and bottom. Okay, what does the blue one want? That's the blue one. What does it want? It wants the green and the yellow. So it's 2 times 3 times 2x minus 1. What you know about all the what you know about all the denominators now? All denominators are exactly the same. Thomas was saying that we could actually just reduce it down to, anybody tell me, 3 times 2? 6 into 2x minus 1. If any of you put down 12x minus 6, you're not wrong either. You can have it, leave it factorized, or you can leave it unfactorized. That's your choice. I generally leave it unfactorized because it's less effort. 2 times 2? 4 times 2x minus 1? 8x minus 4. 2 times 3, 6 times 5? 30. 3 times 2x, 3 times minus 1? Yeah. Good job. Now what? 8x plus 6x? 14x. 30 take away 4, take away 3? 23. All divided by 6 into 2x minus 1. Hands up if you got that. Okay. Okay. Step 1. Identify your 3 different denominators. Blue, green, actually, yeah, and yellow. Okay. Rewrite the equation with one common denominator. Okay, what does the blue one want? What does it want? It wants the green and the yellow, top and bottom. Why do I have to do a top and bottom again? Because if I cross it back out, it's exactly the same, so I haven't actually changed anything, haven't changed the value, so that's okay. What about the green one? What does it want? It wants x and 3. It wants yellow and blue. and then yellow and blue go to the top as another 3 and another x. Finally, what does the yellow one want? What does it want? And what else? And what you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. If you're wondering what you should be doing in your head right now, at the end of every step, this is what you should be doing in your head. You should be striking them back off again, and then you check, does it equal what you had to begin with? Does it? If I strike the 2 of them off, is it a third? If I strike that one off and that one off, is it minus 3 over x minus 2? And finally, if I strike this one and this one off, is it 5 over x? Yes, it is. Okay, I'm just going to pause this for a sec. Gotta multiply this out, don't we? 5 times 3, 15. 15 times x minus 2, 15x minus 30. Minus 3 multiplied by 3. Minus 9 multiplied by x. Minus 9. 1 times x. X. X times x minus 2. X squared minus 2x. All divided by 3 into x into x minus 2. Okay, let's have a look. X squared, 15x take away 9x, 6x plus 2x. Oh, sorry. 6x minus 2x minus 4x minus 30. I don't think there's any factors of 30 that will make 4. 30 and 1, no. 2 and 15, no. 3 and 10, no. 6 and 5, no. Don't have to worry about it. 3 into x into x minus 2. I was checking to see if I could factorize the top part. I can't, so I just left it be. Yes, sir. You should, and then you might be able to cancel some brackets off at the end. Okay, Aaron, anything? All right. What did